Hey everyone, I know it has been a while since I last posted, and trust me, I missed you all so much. I had to take little break due to some personal reasons. Sometimes life just needs us to be present in that moment, and that's what exactly I did. And guess what? I'm back and I'm super excited because I have got some amazing content lined up for you. So if you've been waiting for me, thanks for your patience. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss what's coming next. Hey everyone, I'm Dr. Fatima, clinical pharmacologist and an expert coach in pregnancy and parenting. So today we are diving into an exciting topic that is life after 40s for women. We will explore the changes you might experience, how to maintain your health, and the tips for thriving in this vibrant phase of life. Turning 40 is a milestone that worth celebrating. It's the time of wisdom, confidence, and new opportunities, but it also comes with some unique health considerations. Don't worry though, I've got you covered. So, now let's talk about certain physical changes that you might expect. As you enter your 40s, your body start to change. So let me tell you what kind of changes happen. So first and foremost thing is the hormonal shifts. Perimenopause can begin leading to irregular periods, and you might as well see hot flushes and even night sweats. Metabolism might slow down, making weight management even more challenging. Bone density can start to decrease, increasing the risk of osteoporosis. Muscle mass may begin to decrease, affecting strength and metabolism. You might notice skin changes like more wrinkles or age spots. Skin may become drier. Remember, these changes are natural and nothing to fear about. With right approach, you can navigate them gracefully. And guys, being aware of certain potential health issues can help you, so stay proactive. The risk of heart diseases, breast cancer, type 2 diabetes increases. Urinary incontinence becomes more common due to weakening of pelvic floor muscles. Vision and hearing changes may happen. You might need reading glasses or experience some hearing loss. Regular checkups and screenings are key to catch these issues early. So, coming to the most interesting part here is nutrition. Eating right becomes even more crucial. So, let me guide you here. Increase calcium and vitamin D intake because these are very much essential for your bone health. Focus on lean proteins like skinless poultry, low fat dairy, tofu, beans, nuts, and eggs. These help in maintaining muscle mass. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables. They provide you necessary vitamins and antioxidants. Consider omega 3 fatty acids. These are good for your heart and brain's health. Stay hydrated all the time because this helps you with everything right from skin health to digestion. Remember, a balanced diet is your best friend in maintaining health and energy. Staying active is very crucial. So, for that, you can do certain strength training. It helps in maintaining muscle mass and bone density. Aim for at least 2 sessions per week. Cardiovascular exercises are great for heart and weight management. You can do around 150 minutes of moderate activity per week. For flexibility and balance, you can do yoga or Pilates. These are excellent choices, I can say. So, to strengthen your pelvic floor muscles, Kegels are great. Remember, always consult your doctor before you start a new exercise routine. Your mental health is as important as your physical health, right? So, to manage stress, you can try meditation, deep breathing techniques, or mindfulness practices. Prioritize your sleep. Aim for at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep per night. Stay socially connected with your friends and family. And it's very important to keep learning, take up some new hobbies or skills to keep your mind sharp. And consider therapy if you are struggling with mood changes or life transitions. Remember, it's okay to ask for help when you need it. And guys, it's very important to go for annual physical examinations. There are various tests and scans which are considered as early detection tools. So speak to your doctor in advance like what you would require in your 40s. For example, mammogram usually starts around 40s, but discuss regarding frequency with your doctor. Pap smear, HPV test, Colonoscopy usually around 45. Again, discuss with your doctor. Skin cancer screening, eye examination, and dental checkups. These are very, very crucial, and other blood tests as per your doctor's suggestion. Because, guys, early detection is key in managing many health conditions. Dear ladies, this decade can be incredibly fulfilling. Celebrate your achievements and wisdom. Set new goals and pursue your passions. Practice self care, self love. Be a mentor to the young women. Embrace your changing body and mind. Remember, age is just a number. Your 40s can be a time of growth, joy, and empowerment. Life after 40 is an exciting journey. By taking care of your physical and mental health, staying active, eating well, and embracing the changes, you can thrive this new chapter of life. Remember, every woman's experience is unique. Listen to your body, consult your doctor, and do what feels right for you. That's all for today, guys. Thanks for joining me in this exploration of women's health after 40. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this with other wonderful women in their 40s and beyond. Here is to your health, happiness, and the exciting decades ahead. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.